It's a quick tip for preppers that I have on storing water in a urban environment. I just started, so my collection is rather small, but as you can see I have 2 liters filled up with water. FEMA says it's okay to use those. I also saw a couple videos on YouTube. That's why I started doing this, and I looked it up on the FEMA website just to see if it was true. At all times we do have like 3 days of food in our house. I want to go for much more. Basically what I'm going to do is mainly Coke and Pepsi bottles, so they have like similar shapes, but I'm going to take all of them that are the same, and I'm going to make layers of 6, I think, as soon as I get these totes out of here. I also started my rice storage, but it's pretty small. Let's see if I can open this. I think I can't open it right now. I only have 2 5-pound bags of rice in there right now, and I left them in the regular bags and zipped them in Ziploc freezer bags, but I'm going to store the rice in the soda bottles also. And the only other thing I want to say is 2 liters equals 1 gallon of water with a slight overhead. So every 2 equals 1 gallon, and then what you basically want to do is mark your date. I have most of them done in red, so it's hard to see. I only started this like the middle of last month. Like right there, you see that says 2/17. Basically what they say is every 6 months you should try to dump them out, fill them back up. Military Survival says you can leave it for almost a year. It'll still be drinkable, but it'll be stale. But you can easily get by that just by like dumping it into another container, aerating it back to the way it was. But I'm going to get all these totes out of here, and I'm going to make layers of like 6 or 9, and I'm going to put a flat box on it, and then make another layer, flat box, another layer, and it'll be a good way to store a lot in a small area. And then I'm also going to be starting my food storage. I only go to the grocery store like once or twice a month, so it's pretty hard for me to, you know, get massive amounts of food and rice and stuff. But I'm going to keep working on that. Every time I go, I'm going to get like 2 bags and just keep stacking up the water. It takes a while though, you know, because I mean, we don't drink that much soda, being a whole family. And there is a lot here though, but not enough. Far from enough. But it's just a quick tip. You know, it's free, it's recycling. We don't, you know, our township doesn't recycle like plastic bottles and stuff like that, so we're stuck with it, you know, just throwing it in the dump. So why not just, you know, rinse them out with warm water, add a drop of soap, shake it up, rinse it out really good, and you can reuse them forever. Plastic doesn't exactly break down in a year, you know, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, it'll still be there. But good way to save water in a small space. I mean, this is a closet underneath my steps, you know. It's my movie closet, actually. Yeah. But yeah. Good tip. I thank everybody that I watched their videos on starting to do that. I seen the Dr. Pepper guy, I don't know his name, but I seen him doing it, and he's the one that inspired me to do it. He had all the bottles the same size. He didn't stack them, but mine are all different. I even got a Sprite bottle back there. But we'll see how it goes. I'll post another one in like a month or 2.